In this video, we're going to take a look at a 3-in-1 wireless charger with MagSafe from Zeera, changing my charging setup from this to this. Disclaimer first, Zeera sent me these items free for this review. No money has been exchanged, and as always, I'm free to give you my honest thoughts in this video. Apple once teased us with the AirPower mat, but sadly that never came to fruition. This, on the other hand, is real and it literally fits in my hand, weighing in at only 128 grams. The Zeera MegFold can charge 3 devices at once, which by my calculation is more than the dual charger from Apple. The left side features a MagSafe compatible wireless charging pad with up to 15 watts of power. More on power and charging times shortly. The middle section provides 3 watts for the Apple Watch, which can also fold up if you prefer to see the watch face when charging. And finally, on the right, we have a general Qi compatible wireless pad delivering up to 5 watts of power. Side note, did you know the animation between Qi and MagSafe charging is different? A wall power adapter isn't included, neither does Apple's $129 dual charger. But Zeera recommends one with at least 20 watts output and PD QC 3.0 compatible to give the charger enough juice to power all 3 devices at once. Without making this video unnecessarily long, the very short answer is it's on par with other wireless charging pads that I have tried. Our iPhone 12 took around 2.5 hours to charge to 100% from empty. The Apple Watch, on the other hand, took around 2.5 hours, and the iPhone 10 took around 2 hours and 40 minutes as it doesn't have MagSafe. I also ran another test to see how much power we can get from a 30-minute charge from 0%. No surprise, a 20-watt USB C to Lightning cable gives us the fastest energy boost, around 50% on a modern iPhone, whereas the Qi charger on the right will only give us 20%. With the MagSafe, it was around 30% from 30 minutes. From my own experience and online research I've looked into, the charging times for MagSafe and Qi wireless devices varies a lot depending on multiple factors like ambient temperature, battery temperature, background tasks, the Apple's intelligent battery optimization programs, what adapter you use, battery health degradation level, the alignment of the moon. The main takeaway is to use MagSafe if the device has MagSafe. The Apple Watch can just stay in the middle, it doesn't really matter. And if your phone doesn't have MagSafe, like my iPhone 10, stick with Qi instead. Why? Here's what Apple has to say. When charging a non-MagSafe Qi compatible device with a MagSafe charger, power is reduced and charge times may be slower than on a typical Qi charger. No real explanation why, it's just a weird quirk with MagSafe somehow. If you want the maximum charging speed, a cable is probably still the best option. You can check out my video on a 20 versus 5 watt power adapter video here somewhere. Depending on which option you choose when purchasing, it either comes with a regular 1 meter USB C to USB cable in the box, or if you add an extra $10, you can upgrade to the premium nylon braided cable instead, which Zeera also kindly sent me one here. Speaking of price, right now it's available for $49.99 US, around 40 UK pounds as of recording today. Oh, and Zeera also sent me a MagSafe compatible case. MagSafe isn't the strongest in general, I found, when using with standard phone cases due to the increased thickness around the back. Besides from protecting the phone from scratches, a MagSafe compatible case helps to snap the phone to the charger more securely. So to wrap things up, or fold things up shall we say, I really can't think of too many things to nitpick with this charger. It does what it says on the box or in the box. It's small, portable, and offers a good wireless charging speed compared to wires. It's slightly slower, but for the convenience, it holds the phone and watch in multiple different angles, allowing you to use it as a stand for watching YouTube, for example, and still charge the phone at the same time. My only concern is the matte finish coating on it, which looks nice when it's brand new, but it tends to leave a bit of grease mark on it quite easily. And I worry about the flappy nature of it since it folds up. Like these sections here, I don't know how long it will hold up before it breaks, but hopefully it'll be okay. Lastly, the LED tells you whether it's charging or if there's any issues with the two outer charging coils, but strangely, there isn't one for the Apple Watch in the middle for some reason. But hey, besides from that, I really like this charger. It definitely makes it easier for me to keep my desk tidy, and I can bring it with me between the office and when traveling. Here's a question for you though. If available, do you use wireless charging? I don't seem to know many people that use it for some reason, or maybe it's just because I don't know that many people. I find it super convenient compared to wires, so I'll always go for wireless if it's possible. With that being said, thank you very much for watching my video. My name is Joe, and if you like this video, perhaps you can give me a like, or you can drop me a comment down below, or if you're feeling extra awesome today, you can subscribe for more content like this. And lastly, I also want to give another huge thank you to Zeera for sending me this little charger. It's definitely something that I'll be using on a daily basis, not just because I got it for free. It is definitely useful. And if not, consider watching these videos that YouTube recommends to you. And hopefully I will see you in the next video.